Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and thank you all so much for stopping by and watching my videos and leaving me comments. It means so much to me. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. It really means so much to me. I have really missed you all, and I have my Glossybox. This is the September box, and it always comes in a really nice heavy box, and you open it and they always do a nice presentation where it's tied like this. And so untie it, and there's the little booklet that comes with it, and then it has this tissue paper. Let's see here, and it looks like this. Looks like it's a nice box this month. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it is going to be a nice one. Let's see what I got here. The first thing I see, I love these. Let's see. It's a daily beauty headband that retails for $12. This headband is perfect for sweeping hair off your face when cleansing or applying a face mask, or even to control hair as you apply makeup. The soft fabric makes for a comfortable fit and helps to absorb excess moisture. Tip: make sure to put this on before applying makeup or a face mask. You don't want to smudge anything. And I don't think I have anything to open this over here. Oh, it just tears. Okay, so this is 12. I like these kind of headbands. Really soft. It's really cute. So the next thing I see is this Melusan. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. It's in this pretty box. And let's see here. That's nice. It's nice, and I have the pink. I can't, what's it called, the rose quartz or something, but I don't think I have the jade roller. It's nice. Yeah, I've heard a lot of people say they use these like with a sheet mask and then roll this over the sheet mask. I've never tried it that way, but I'm gonna have to try that. And let's see what it says about that. That retails for $21. It says Magic Jade Roller. This jade roller is a skincare lover's quick fix, as well as a longer-term investment for improving elasticity, radiance, reducing fine lines, and combating puffiness. A tip is, after moisturizer, spend 10 minutes rolling from side of your mouth up to your ear. Use the handle for your nose and under eye area. Oh, interesting. Combine it with a sheet mask or leave it in the fridge for extra soothing effect. And the next thing I have is this. This is Codex Exfoliating Wash. This is 1.2 ounces. And it says this face wash lightly exfoliates and tones skin, making it gentle enough for daily use Jojoba grains provide a non-irritating exfoliation, while castor oil helps clear pores and impurities. And wow, it says this deluxe size retails for $18. The full size retails for $45. So, okay, we got that. And then we got Swell Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. That's a pretty good size there. Let's see. Where is this? Let's see. Is it on another? Where is this at? Am I not overlooking it? Let's see. Huh. I must have that there because I don't see that anywhere on here. And then the next thing we have is Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream. This is really cute little packaging, and it says the ultimate power couple in a jar. This blend of royal jelly and yellow flower is soothing and nourishing. It provides moisture while also recharging and rejuvenating distressed skin. And this deluxe sample is $6. Let's see, that looks nice. That looks like that would be, I might use this at night on my lips. I love things like this to keep just the little jars like this, and that sounds like that would be very nourishing. And then I got this sheet mask from Vitamask, and this is the Ruby sheet mask. It retails, one of them retails for $7. Extracts of goji berries, vitamin C, and antioxidants are blended together to restore tired, dull skin in this vegan-friendly mask. It's also great for recharging your mind and uplifting your mood. Tip: don't forget to time your mask use. If it's on for too long, the sheet can begin to reabsorb the wonderful ingredients. I have heard that if you let them dry out, the dryness can actually start pulling it back out of your skin. I've never left one on that long, but that looks like a nice mask. Okay, that is all besides this. Where does this go? It says there's a breakout treatment, but I don't have that. There's the jade roller, the sheet mask. So it must have been the spot treatment or this, because I don't see the breakout spot treatment, and I don't see this on there. It says Swell's Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum smooths, adds gloss, and conceals split ends. Oh, this is for your hair. Giving state-of-the-art heat protection and the ultimate professional finish. So this is 30 milliliters. Again, I don't see that anywhere on here. So this box is, I think, 21. It is a monthly box. So we got this. I have no idea how much this is. It's not on here. We've got that. We've got one sheet mask that's valued at $7. We got the Codex exfoliating wash valued at $18. The Mr. Honey stuff valued at $6. The headband, valued at $12. Is that it? Oh yeah, and the jade roller, valued at $21. So that's a pretty good box, I think. It's not, Glossybox isn't my favorite, but I think that's a pretty good box for different items. So yeah, that's it. So that is it for my September Glossy box. Thank you all so very much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.